go. Huh? Hey guys, it's Jackson right here, and today I'm going to be opening some of these Ryan toys. So we have some Ryan. We have a Ryan figure. We don't know which one we're going to get. We have a jelly something. Oh, it shows you right here. Technically, I think it's a something. You can see there's a Super Ryan, Pizza, Gus, Ice Cream, Milk, Scientist Pyramid, the controller, Fries, Soccer Ball, and rare is Combo Panda. I really want him. And we have Ryan's minifigures. There's an astronaut one. There's actually whatever that is. I think that's a little one. Astronaut, Super Ryan, Karate Ryan. I am Taekwondo Ryan. And so yeah, I am in Taekwondo too. We got a pirate, robot, regular Ryan, worker Ryan, racer Ryan, pilot Ryan, racer Ryan, and new Combo Panda. I want that guy. Okay, first thing I want is, I'm gonna open up this first. It's really hard opening these things, so I'm not kidding. Oh, there you go. And yes, my mom, dad, and my sister, thank you guys for giving me this. I appreciate it. I love how you guys gave me some things for my birthday. It's actually my birthday today. And let's see what he got. Oh, it's a giant, inside a giant egg. I feel something. These are what again? Oh, there's a rare on here. Oops. Did I already say that? I don't think so. Let's just set that. Okay, guys, you get a sneak peek. There you go. And do you see it? Let me. Okay, I'm gonna look. Silver Ryan! No. What? So we got Super Ryan. I remember the first time when I got. Oh, this has 3. Do you see it? Oh, that means 3 and out. Whoops, sorry guys, if that had 3. Is it in something? It's a Sakura! Squishy. Oh, dang it! I was close to getting the rare. Aww. Cause you talk about you took my chance. Okay. I'm gonna put everything I get over there. Now, hope me luck if I get Combo Panda. Wish me luck, guys. Here's a sneak peek. I think it's in something. Is it plastic? It is clear Ryan. Ooh, this is... Yeah, I got the what? Is there a clear Ryan on it? It's a glow-in-the-dark one. And it comes with this sweet hammer. Or axe. Oops, it's axe. If you see something low, you better run. So I technically don't see it. So that's it, y'all. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Give a thumbs up. And see you next time.